Cooler Master sent this over, not because they're expecting me to review it. I specifically told them I wasn't going to. We don't really do keyboard reviews anymore. But because they just really wanted me to try it. And I went, well, I mean, it's a cheap keyboard, mouse, gaming combo set. These are kind of a dime a dozen these days. What are you really expecting? And they were like, no, and this is a direct quote from Cooler Master's marketing. We created a keyboard that mirrors the highly popular mechanical Cherry MX Blue switches, and we made it affordable while maintaining functionality. We successfully pulled this off with the satisfying clicky feature on our new mechanical switches. But could a membrane keyboard really replicate the feel of a mechanical one? Let's find out on this episode of Manufacturers Say. Brought to you by Thermaltake. Thermaltake's View 37 mid-tower case can support up to an eATX motherboard with a fully modular design. Check it out at the link below to learn more.
Maybe.
So you're definitely blind.
Sorry?
Follow the sound of my voice.
Okay.
Boop, 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 left, left, left a little bit, boop, 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 boop. Watch your head. Towards me, towards me, towards me. There we go. Okay, step high. I mean, you're stepping over a cord, so it's a little overkill, but. Now, I'm gonna form my own impressions here, but I wanted to bring in someone who's an even bigger keyboard dork than me to evaluate this. So I think I've run you through the premise. Someone has created a keyboard that they claim at least closely imitates the feel of a Cherry MX Blue.
Okay.
Now, as a warm-up, I'm gonna put something random in front of you and I'm gonna make sure you haven't lost your touch. Come on over here. There's your home row there, buddy. Somewhere.
Browns?
Close enough. Technically, it is a Razor orange.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But yes, yeah, essentially, yeah. Okay, good. How do we make this random enough? Hold on, I'd like to read you some more of the marketing first if I can. Is that okay? You good?
I'm fine.
Okay, you having fun yet?
It's just very face sweaty because there's nowhere for my breath to go.
Oh, that sounds very unpleasant. I'm glad I'm not experiencing it. Satisfying clicky feature, great price, full RGB and free mouse. So with a mouse, with a full RGB backlight, this thing is like $75 US.
Okay.
50 million keystroke durability.
Okay.
So they claim there is no compromise there. Specially designed tactile and clicky switches, similar to those found on professional level mechanical keyboards. It's fine-tuned to help you win all your battles.
Oh, okay.
So you can win all your battles.
I would like to see, like, they should have to prove that.
That you can
Like,
win.
increases your win rate.
So I'll tell you how they do it later. But let's get you to try one of them. So don't take your fingers off the home row. I will consider that to be cheating.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Why?
Just, you don't get to know any of these things. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have Brandon pick which keyboard I am going to put in front of him. Okay. Okay, don't touch it yet.
Okay.
Don't touch it yet. Okay, hold on. Don't touch it yet!
I didn't.
Here's your right hand is going straight to the J. All right.
Can I find it myself? Is that okay?
Yeah. You can do the other hand yourself. I think you should probably start by typing.
Oh, but I can't go off home row.
Oh yeah, you can go off home row. So don't take your fingers off the home row. Yeah, you can do whatever you want.
I don't think
I wonder if he's gonna get this.
I don't think I need to try the other one. I'm pretty sure this is the imitation one.
All right, well, hold on a second. Let's get you to try the other one because I want you to have a chance to retract that statement in case it comes to that.
Okay. If that was Cherry MX Blue, the feel has changed a lot over the past few years. My keyboard is relatively old, but it doesn't feel like that. I can tell you that much.
Okay, all right. There you go, go for it.
Yeah. This is a joke.
Okay, you can take off the mask now.
Okay. I think I pressed it once.
Okay, shut up. Hold on. I haven't tried it yet.
Is it the other way around? Did I get it wrong?
Hold on. I would like to have an opportunity to evaluate this
tell
for
already?
myself. I mean, I was mashing it, so I'm not gonna. Oh.
It's like it feels like relatively okay, and then you start to get anywhere close to bottoming out, and you're like, what is that?
It's stiff. It feels like like in between a blue and a green in terms of the weight.
In terms of the, yeah.
Because it's like a.
And it's inconsistent a little bit.
Yeah, towards the end, it's like, I mean, that wouldn't even be an O-ring. That would be like a memory foam ring.
That's what,
You know what I mean?
yeah. Oh man. You can probably even see the difference in pressure.
Yeah, like it's quite a bit heavier towards the end. The selling point here is that they've done this mechanical feel, but without rubber domes, but it's still a membrane keyboard. Would have blown my mind a little while ago, but recently we did a video on the history of the Model M, and I found out that there are actually Model Ms that do use membranes, but with a mechanical key switch.
Like it feels like a toy.
Okay, so there are some other issues here too. Now to be clear, this is also a Cooler Master keyboard right here. This is just a Cherry MX Blue. So you see that keycap wobble. There's always gonna be a little bit. You never get away from that. Now, have a look at this.
That's a ton.
This is among the most I have ever seen.
Yeah.
So, hold on a second though.
Hey, free mouse though.
In fairness to Cooler Master,
Yeah.
those are nice switches. I think those are Omrons actually.
That does feel nice.
Would you want a game on this though?
No, I don't like it. I would rather have a good membrane keyboard than that. Like original G15, I would put that way above there. Again, I feel like I'm being possibly too inflammatory, but that feels like it's trying to be something that it's not, and that makes it feel weird. Because the click feels kind of fake, the bottom out is weird and squishy the whole time.
I was really hoping there was going to be a lot more suspense. I should have probably tried this before I got you to try it.
I was so worried when I had the mask on, you put it in front of me, I was like, I might have lost my touch. And then the first one, I was like, wow, this better not be it, because if it is, Cherry's quality has gone way down. And then you hand him the other keyboard and it's, yeah. Short video?
I think it is. All right, go ahead and cut. Well, thanks for coming in and helping me go straight savage and take this thing apart.
Yeah, no problem.
Speaking of taking things apart, this video is brought to you by iFixit. iFixit is leading the charge in the electronics repair tools industry with their iconic black and blue ProTech Toolkit, and it's now only $59.95. The ProTech Toolkit includes their 64-bit driver kit, a wide variety of plastic opening tools, spudgers, and picks so you can safely poke and pry, a suction cup with a new fancy handle for removing display assemblies, their own rubber-handled Jimmy Pry tool, and a set of metal spudgers, ESD-safe tweezers, and an ESD strap, and more, and it's all backed by iFixit's lifetime warranty. So don't pay someone to repair your stuff for you. Do it yourself, because a lot of the time what you pay to have someone do something for you once can easily offset the cost of your own iFixit toolkit, and then it's yours forever. Visit ifixit.com/Linus and snag yourself a ProTech toolkit today. So, thanks for coming in and helping. I'm really sorry that that was somewhat anticlimactic. I almost always deliver a climax. If you guys, thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, you can hit that button. But if you liked it, hit like, get subscribed, maybe consider checking out where to buy the stuff we featured at the link in the video description. Also down there is our merch store, which has cool shirts like, no one's wearing an LTT shirt around here, whatever. We have cool shirts. And our community forum, which you should totally join with its shiny new updated privacy policy once the site with the guidelines comes back online.